If you're wondering why I haven't made a video in a while, it's because of this. Okay, so what you're seeing right now is my airplane without the engine. Well, the engine is sitting right there. Fortunately, not on the airplane. So what happened was that we found a crack in the engine mount. So I had to replace the engine mount, so which hasn't been done yet. As you can see, we're still waiting on the part to be made. And also we noticed that the exhaust had a crack. So in one of my videos I showed that there was an increase in the CO concentration. It is likely because of the cracked exhaust. So another issue that we've been dealing with right now is that having the exhaust repaired, or the exhaust manifold repaired. Make sure it has no other cracks. So this is the status. It's kind of unfortunate, and keep in mind it's also a very expensive repair. It is not cheap. I don't know exactly how much it's going to be, but I will update you. In the meanwhile, while the airplane is down, we're also getting our annual done. So hopefully we'll get everything squared together, maybe 6 weeks or 2 months or something like that, and hopefully we'll be back in the air. So thanks for sticking with me in the meantime. I hope I can't wait for the airplane to get repaired and back in the air. Wanted to start on my commercial training. I need to get my BFR first, so all those things need the airplane first. Alright guys, I'll talk to you guys later.